Oh, these smoked wings, they look pretty good, right? But I already did a video on smoked wings. But I didn't do a video on chili cheese wings until now. First off, I'm able to get decent chicken wings for this video, which is a huge improvement over the last one. Now I'm going to use the whole wing. You can use separated ones. It doesn't matter at all. It just really comes down to personal preference. But we are going to put them backside up, if you know what I'm saying. Come on, guys. I know you guys grew up on 90s hip-hop, some of you guys. Come on. And because it got a surprising amount of backlash last video, I'm going to go ahead and use spray vegetable oil again. So spray it down real good while giving the middle finger to everybody who doesn't realize this is the same oil that's in the bottle. Don't be a dweeb. Now we're going to go ahead and hit this with our steak rub. It's basically, it's similar to an all-purpose rub, but it's got a thicker grind, and it's going to allow for just a really good flavor to pop on that skin. It's going to help draw out moisture so you get just an easy bite through crispy skin. And now, you didn't think you weren't going to see this OG rub, did you? We're going to drop it all over these wings. It's going to add to the color. It's going to add peppery notes. It's going to add a little hint of sweet. It's probably the greatest rub of all time. I had to do it to you. I had to bring it out of the vault. I had to slam it on these wings. It's going to make them next level. Get yours at skullandmortar.com. We're about to offer it in half pounds and full pounds, alright? Then we're going to just flip these wings right over. I'm going to spray it again. Look how easy it is. It's so even. My coat is so nice. I love it. I love spray oil. Now we're just going to season it again. Same process as before. Now that we got these seasoned to pristine levels, we're going to go ahead and throw these on the smoker at 300 degrees. We're going to be looking at 2 to 3 hours. We'll check back on them to be sure, but put them directly on the rack for maximum airflow. I've made a lot of videos where I make cheese sauce recently, so I'm not going to go through the whole process, but you know, I'll link below the video to my queso. And if you want the best possible queso, use that one. If not, just melt some cheese in a pan. I'm going to smoke this. You should smoke yours too. Now I have some leftover chili here that looks suspiciously like dog food, but it's not. We're going to put some red pepper flakes in it. It's going to look way better once we smoke it. I'm going to hit it with a little dash of that Saison because that stuff is delicious. And now, because I haven't done enough things to get random complaints on the internet, we're going to blast it with that MSG, baby. Come on, look at it again. It's so beautiful. Just use it for anything. I bet you could probably put it in your hair. You could probably use it for skincare. It's friggin' awesome. And then, because I'm a professional of the utmost, I'm going to go ahead and use my finger as a spoon, and we're just going to stir it on up. And yeah, for the record, I'm fully aware of what that looks like. But, you know, have a little faith in your boy. Anyway, all of this on the smoker, 300 degrees for an hour. Now look at these chicken wings, dude. These are smoked perfection. Come on. I'm just going to move the camera around a lot. Why not, you know? Just take them all in. Drink it in, man. Those are friggin'... Look at that little bobble move with the camera. Come on. Get out of here. Now, in order to take this to that absolute flavor maximum threshold, we need some fresh jalapeños. So we're just going to chop these guys right on up here, try to make them as even as possible. I want mine to be thick. I'm going to leave the seeds in because I want them to kick. Now we want the green part of these onions. We're going to go ahead and dice some of those on up. Just rough chop them. Now we got our chicken wings and it's time to top them up, so we are going to hit them with that nacho cheese that we made. Smoked. It's going to have a delicious flavor to it. We're going to hit the table with some. Why the hell would we not? And we're just going to dollop it on here. Put as much as you want. Now we're going to hit it with a fresh dollop of that chili. Look at that. It looks way better now, right? Just let that cascade down. It's a waterfall of meat and smoky flavor. Come on, man. Look at this. My next question is it chili cheese anything without a solid dollop of sour cream? Come on, let's get fancy with it. Put it in a bottle, man. Put some little back and forth zigzags. Make it look classy. And for good measure, we're going to drop the biggest jalapenos we have right on there. Look at that. Just let it slide on down, you know. It's like a snowboarding jalapeno. It's going to be a jalapeno snowblow flavor. Don't know what happened there. That's fine though, but it's gonna be good. Get those pepper flavors on there. Lastly, salt bay that onion right on there. Come on. Look at it. Literally Gordon Ramsay, come on. Oh, check this out. Pull this chicken wing out here. This should not look or smell so good. Watch it. It pulls right apart. It's juicy. It's moist. Pop that knuckle right out. Come on. Have you ever seen such a big guy look so happy? Look at that. There's literally, it's all over my face. Who cares, man? This is literally one of the best chicken wing things you'll ever have in your life. Alright, get wild with it. Get weird, man. I suggest you try this. I mean, really, there are no rules in cooking, you know? Cook good, eat good. If you like this video, slam that like button, slam the subscribe button. Make fun of me because I got crap on my face. Who cares, man? Just enjoy yourself, enjoy life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next week with a brand new video.